5 Best Budget Camcorders. Number 5. Hausbell HDV-5052. Enable remote view. Capture and video shooting. Record important events. "270-degree rotation touchscreen. Easy to carry around. Sound quality is mediocre. Please check the description for detail and price." Number 4. Seree HDV-S33. Take sharp, crisp, blur-free photos. This video recorder can be used as webcam with fast and fluid operation. Picture is crisp and clear. Item weight, 1.49 pounds. 1-year warranty. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Besteker HDV-Z8. Support HDMI output. 1920 into 1080 pixel 30 fps. 8.0 megapixels, 24.0 megapixels. What you get? Besteker HDV camcorder. ** lithium battery, user manual. You can take it anywhere. Built-in face capture technology. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. PowerLead PLD010. Internal microphone and speaker. USB support, 16x digital zoom. HDMI video camcorder supports. (1600 megapixels and 2.7 inches TFT LCD. 100% brand new and high quality. PowerLead offers 12 months warranty. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Sony HDRCX405. 50 Mbps XABCS trademark 1920 into 1080 at 60p. Face detection with voice enhancement. Automatically creates highlight video. Built-in USB cable for easy file transfer or charge. Records in HD and MP4 simultaneously. Item weight, 1.28 ounces. Please check the description for detail and price.